बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या अली अलैहिस्सलाम मदद हक मौजूद पंजतन पाक अलैहिस्सलाम सदा मौजूद. Dear Sindhi students, तव्हांजी आजियां, welcome back. ही पंहिंजो सबक ॾहूं, lesson 10. You can say hola.
Hola.
Hola मार्कोस जी ॿोली
Hi.
में स्पेनिश
Hola.
में hola चवंदा आहिनि हाय खे या सलाम खे. Okay, Marcos, once again, thank you for joining us.
You're
and we
welcome.
are going to do some
My pleasure.
basic sentences.
Okay.
So today, अॼु की ॻाल्हि ॿोल में पाण बुनियादी जुमला वरी बि सिखंदासीं त जीअं हिक ॿिए खां पुछबो आहे तव्हां किथां जा आहियो, where are you from या where do you live, तव्हां किथे रहंदा आहियो, उहे जुमला. ऐं नेक्स्ट ईंदड़ जेके सबक आहिनि पंहिंजा उन्हनि में हाणे पाण जुमला ठाहिणु सिखंदासीं. ही त ठहियल ठुकियल जुमला, पर जुमला ठाहिबा कीअं आहिनि, उन्हनि स्ट्रक्चर कीअं कबो आहे सेंटेंसिस खे, उहो बि पाण सिखंदासीं. So let's start, and I'll ask you after the greetings. Let's say if it's morning, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever happens to be the case. जेको बि वक्त हूंदो उन हिसाब सां. So hi Marcos.
Hi, Kazmi.
How are you doing today, sir?
I am doing good. How about you?
Very well. I'm doing fine. Thank you. I wanted to ask you, meaning, mu puchhan chahe ho pitawa kha, where do you live?
Oh, I live in Houston, in the Missouri City area.
Where do you live mana? Tawa kithe rahanda ayo? Hin chayo, I live in Houston, shahar hai, in Missouri area, Missouri City area hai. Utte Marcos rahe tho.
And I got a question. Where are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
So where are you from? मतलब आऊं किथां जो आहियां, तव्हां खे ॿुधायां थो. I am from Sindh, Pakistan. Sindh is a state in the country of Pakistan, and I was born in the city of Hyderabad. मूं जवाब में चयो त आऊं
It's far from
सिंध.
here.
It is far from here. So the far from here मतलब हितां खां परे आहे. So मूं जवाब इहो ॾिनो पहिरीं त I'm from Sindh, Pakistan. I am from Sindh, Pakistan. मतलब मां सिंध पाकिस्तान खां आहियां. I was born in the city of Hyderabad. Okay. ऐं Marcos po chayo त it is far from here. मतलब हितां खां परे आहे इलाही. So yes, it's quite a few thousand miles. I haven't checked it. I guess around 10,000 miles maybe.
Far. It's far.
That is far. That is far. You ॾाढो परे आहे, माना you परे आहे. Okay, so my ancestors or my father or my actual village is the village of Amri. मां ॿुधायां पियो त मुंहिंजे अबनि ॾाॾनि जो या मुंहिंजे वालिद जो या असांजो जेको ॻोठ आहे उहो आमरी आहे. My village is called Amri.
Where is that from? What part of Sindh?
It is still Sindh.
Okay.
It's far from the city of Hyderabad. Not too far, about, I would say about an hour and a half by time of driving. 1.5 कलाक खन जो पंध आहे हैदराबाद खां असांजे ॻोठ आमरी ताईं. And yes, it has a history. मतलब आमरी जी हिकिड़ी पंहिंजी तारीख़ आहे. It has a history in a way that it is marked as an ancient civilization in our region.
Nice.
Yeah. Do you want to follow that question? I'll tell you more.
Tell me more about your city, though.
Marcos chaito, tell me more about your city. Mukhe penje shahar je babat wadhik budhai. Tell me more, mana mukhe wadhik budhai. So my city, Hyderabad, is a small city. We do have large cities in Pakistan, such as Karachi or Lahore or Islamabad. These are all other names of our cities. So Hyderabad too is a city, but relatively it's a small city. Karachi ji bhet mein लाहौर जी भेट में अचां पियो त उन जी भेट में if we compare Hyderabad to Karachi, जे असां भेटूं compare माना भेटण हैदराबाद खे कराची सां. In that case, Hyderabad is a small city. Karachi is a large city. माना कराची वॾो शहर आहे. Hyderabad small city आहे. नंढो शहर आहे. Yeah, large and small. Okay. And Hyderabad has a river Indus, that passes through entire Pakistan, basically.
Right through the middle.
Right through the middle. So we, in Hyderabad, we have river Indus. That's its English name. And Sindhi name is Darya Sindh, or Darya means river.
Darya?
Darya.
Darya.
Yeah, with a ya at the end. Darya.
Darya.
Yeah, Darya is river. It's river Indus. Sindhu Darya also we call it. That's its ancient, traditional, historical name. And Hyderabad has some very tasty food.
Really?
We have wonderful biryani. We have halim. We have some very good bakeries and wonderful cake. The Bombay bakery cake is very popular throughout Pakistan and beyond Pakistan.
So
And
what type of pastries you guys got?
oh, we got chicken and vegetable pasties, we call them, or we also call them patties there.
Patties?
Yeah, that's what we call them. Other than that, we on the dessert side, the pasties that we are talking about, then we have coffee, macaroni, chocolate. These are like most popular ones, but of course now we do have other bakeries that do other pineapple cake and blackberry cake and so on. So yes, it has a lot of schools in our city. We have a zoo. Zoo chan पाण चवंदा आहियूं रानी बाग खे. Schools जी ॻाल्हि थी. मूं ॿुधायो त पॉपुलर आहे असांजो फूड हैदराबाद में. बेकरीज़ आहिनि. जीअं तव्हां बि ईअं तव्हां पंहिंजे पंहिंजे शहर जो बि बयान लिखण शुरू करे सघो था. For example, the name of my town or name of my city is Larkana. The name of my city is, I'm giving them examples that if they are from Larkana, it's a city. If they are from Dadu, it's another city. If they are from Mirpur Khas, Tando Alai, these are all names of different cities that we have. So that way they can also structure their sentences. Okay, so Hyderabad also has our Sindh Provincial Museum. It's a state museum. It has a stadium for games and sports. Pretty much, it used to be very active. It does have clubs and gyms. So it is pretty much a good model city. And yeah, we got schools even from British period that are still established, and I used to teach at one of them.
Wow.
So इहे जेके जुमला आहिनि इहे हाणे तव्हां स्क्रीन ते बि ॾिसंदा. Let's repeat as to for them, and then we'll wind up this lesson. As to we started, Marcos मूंखां पुछियो, tell me more about your city. मूंखे पंहिंजे शहर जे बाबति वधीक ॿुधायो. पोइ मूं उनखे ॿुधायो in Hyderabad माना हैदराबाद में we have a river Indus जेको सिंधु दरिया आहे उहो हैदराबाद मां लंघे थो. It passes by Hyderabad or passes through Hyderabad, and Hyderabad also has a railway station.
Trains?
Trains. We do have trains throughout our country, and this railway network was established and laid by British when they were here pre-partition. And those are some of the things. We also have a small airport. So ये जुमला आहिनि जेके आउं तव्हां सां वरी स्क्रीन ते रखंदुसि, and I'll be sharing all these sentences that we discussed today about my city so that my students can write and talk about their city. ईअं तव्हां पंहिंजी city बाबति बि ॻाल्हाए सघो था. Thank you, Marcos. We'll wind up this lesson. असांजो ही वारो जुमिलो पंहिंजो लेसन हिते पूरो था कयूं ऐं जुमिला तव्हांजी स्क्रीन ते रखंदासीं ऐं पाण वधीक वरी नेक्स्ट लेसन्स में मिलंदासीं सदाईं गॾु.
Peace.
Thank you. Peace माना अमन.